can I just ask for clarification dito kay Colonel Espinido, Mr. Chair?
Okay, you're recognized, Congressman Abante.
Colonel, it was under your watch na napatay si Mayor Navarro and Mayor Espinido and Mayor Parahinog, di ba?
Mayor Espinosa, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Pero nung napatay si Mayor Parahinog, sino ang station commander noon sa Osamis?
Ako ang sa Osamis, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so
search warrant ng CIDG.
So therefore, nung panahon mo, napatay si Parahinog at si Navarro.
Hindi si Navarro, si Mayor Espinosa yun, Mr. Chair.
Si Mayor Parahinog.
Si Mayor Parahinog
Napatay.
ang sa Osamis.
It was under your command.
Yes,
that time.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Oo. Sino nabigay sa iyo ng 600,000?
Si Okuan, hindi pa yun nangyari, Mr. Chair, yung pag-operasyon sa application sa search warrant kay Mayor Parahinog. Mga 4 months, 3 months, mag-umpisa ako sa Osamis. Si Mayor Parahinog mismo, Mr. Chair, ang nagbigay ng reward sa mga nahuli.
Nung napatay si Mayor Parahinog, napatay siya under your watch, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nakatanggap ka ba ng reward money?
Wala
Wala.
kay kasi din sa kay Mayor Parahinog, Mr. Chair, sa illegal possession of firearms at saka hindi application ko sa CIDG yon na
Alin yun?
CIDG ang applicant sa search warrant, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
So,
hindi sa akin.
Hindi drugs.
Hindi, sa illegal possession of firearms, Mr. Chair.
Ang inaano ko, nakakalito kasi nung napatay si Mayor Parahinog, ikaw ang station commander nung Osamis.
Yes.
Oh, sa drugs din yun, correct?
Ang sa kay Mayor Parahinog, sa title sa search warrant, hindi sa drugs, Mr. Chair.
Ay, hindi. So, sinong nag-utos sa'yo na patayin si Mayor Parahinog?
Hindi naman nag-utos, Mr. Chair. Sorry to say that because first, ang applicant, ang officer responsible sa implementation ng search warrant ay ang CIDG. As Chief of Police ng Osamis, nag-assess kasi area ko ang target, no, yung si Mayor Parahinog. So nagkataon na kami ang
Congressman Abante.
Mr. Chair.
Congresswoman Jinky Luis.
Very quick.
Very quickly.
I was listening to the interpellation of the Honorable Teves, and I want to clarify for the record the answers of Colonel Espinido. Colonel, were you the one who introduced Kerwin to Ronnie Dayan? Yes or no?
no, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Before the Senate investigation, have you personally known Senator Laila De Lima? Yes or no?
Yes,
How?
Your Honor. Na siya naging head ng CHR, Commission on Human Rights, when I was assigned in Leyte. Nagpunta pa nga si Ma'am sa Samar, kung natandaan niya, sa Samar. Pagkatapos, naging DOJ, Secretary, nag-run for senator din si Ma'am.
In relation to her alleged involvement in drug operation, have you known Senator De Lima before the Senate investigation? Yes or no?
Sa drugs, hindi.
Yes or no?
No, Your Honors.
Before the Senate investigation, have you known Kerwin Espinosa? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
How?
That he is involved in illegal drugs together with his father.
But in relation to the alleged transaction with Senator Laila De Lima, have you known Kerwin Espinosa before the Senate investigation?
I don't know.
Yes
Your Honor.
or no?
No, Your Honor.
Before that Senate investigation, Colonel Espinido, in relation to the alleged involvement of Senator De Lima, have you known Ronnie Dayan?
No, Your Honor.
There's also a testimony coming from Kerwin Espinosa that you and him were instructed to talk with each other to make sure that your testimonies against Senator De Lima is consistent. Do you confirm this? Yes or no?
I confirm, Your Honor.
With your answers to my questions, Colonel Espinido, this afternoon, are you retracting all the testimonies that you gave against Senator De Lima during that Senate investigation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.